Yeah, very good afternoon. My name is Tyagarajan. She is my wife, Mrs. Padmavati. We have come from Madipakam. In fact, we have purchased a house in Pink House near Tambaram. Though we have registered our land in 2010, but we have really, purchased the house with full satisfactory. In the meantime, I felt sometimes, I thought there was a delay, but though there was a delay, but Pink House Manchu Foundation people, they have extremely done well, their project. So I am really happy for the construction and other activities about Manchu Foundation. Thank you so much. Today I have received my key and other documents, everything. So I would like to say thanks to Mr. Praveen, particularly Mr. Praveen. I have disturbed Praveen, so many times. Okay, at least once in a week I used to give a call to Praveen. He is an excellent person. He is always keeping his passions, and anytime I will make a phone call to him. Even after 10 o'clock in the night also. He never frustrated. He never refused to attend my phone calls. Anytime I can give a call, and he gave his service with full satisfactory, and along with Mr. Prabhu. Thank you so much for Manchu Foundation Group.
Thank you so much.